The number of coronavirus cases in Douglas County continues to rise. New cases were announced this weekend and expect more as more testing is being done. Ruta Olsenida has more on those numbers and why businesses are being praised for their efforts.
The Douglas County Health Department says the number of COVID-19 cases is increasing and people should be prepared for those numbers to keep going up.
Spread is taking place in our community. So you potentially are not going to see us report on special identified sites. It's all over.
The virus is causing financial strain for many, including local businesses. That's why County Commissioner Chris Rogers is pleading with local landlords to ease off on evictions during the pandemic.
Please consider the actions that you're taking in regards to evictions. Putting people out on the streets in this time is a health matter.
The Omaha Police Department says businesses are following the 10 and under rule vigilantly.
I want to thank our business community. The Omaha Police Department has not issued one citation for lack of compliance, not one.
Testing for the virus, however, is still limited. That's why two medical companies tried to team up for a drive-up testing clinic on 84th and Center, but were unsuccessful. Mayor Stothert says she wants to see drive-up clinics popping up all over the city, but that it has to be done correctly. She revoked the permit of this company that set up last week because they were not communicating with the city or law enforcement about how they would handle traffic and the testing kits.
They need to coordinate much better if they're going to do something like this. And secondly, they need to be very honest with the community of what indeed they are doing there. Very little COVID-19 testing would have occurred there, and I did not want people waiting in line for hours to think they will get tested.
Dr. Gold says the next 10 days will be very telling as to how Nebraska looks in regards to the virus. He says it all depends on how seriously the public takes all the different precautions.
We will either end up looking like New York City and Northern Italy, or we will be in a much healthier and a much better place.
Reporting in Omaha, Ruta Olsenida, 3 News Now.
Ruta, thank you. Governor Ricketts is also holding a press conference tomorrow at 2 p.m. We'll live stream that on our website, 3newsnow.com, and also on air.